this ball again, but this time for kinetic energy. This ball is moving, so the energy which arises because of its motion is called kinetic energy. The energy which arises because of its motion is called kinetic energy. So this is the surface and this is the ball. Force is applied on it and ball has moved. Ball has moved. So there is a motion. So in this ball there is kinetic energy. So how I'll be finding out? How I'll be deriving the area, this kinetic energy, the formula of kinetic energy? Energy is nothing but work. Energy is nothing but work. E for energy. What is work? Work is made up of force and displacement. Force and displacement. What is force? Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. Force is an external cause. When applied on a body, causes acceleration. Force is an external cause. When applied on a body, this body is having mass. Force is applied on a body and because of that, it causes acceleration. So this force is nothing but mass into acceleration. And this D is what? S vector. Mass you will be writing. And before that, in my last video, in second and third equation of motion, I said to you, third equation is needed to find out the formula of kinetic energy. So what is that? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is the formula which we have derived. So from this what we can find out? V square minus U square by 2A is equal to S. By 2A is equal to S. So in place of S, we will be applying this formula. So M into A. In this case, in kinetic energy, there is no acceleration due to gravity. So this acceleration will be acceleration itself. A will be A. And in place of S, what I will be writing? V square minus U square by 2A. Why 2A? This A and this A will be cut. So how we will be writing? Half into M into V square minus U square. If initial velocity is 0, then what I can write? Half M into V square minus 0 square. V square minus 0 means what? V square. So half M V square. This is the formula of kinetic energy. Half mv square. Procedure is same. You have to follow the same rule. And you have to apply whatever has been taught to you. If you will be watching all my videos, then I have followed a simple rule. I did not deviate from that. What is that? You have to know your basics. If your basics are correct, you can find out anything. I hope you have understood this kinetic energy. Thank you.